قليلا أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا. Alhamdulillah, my Quran recitation is developing day by day with the help of my muallim. Even Tajweed lessons help me more to recite correctly, as well as the Tarbiyah classes change my daily routine as a disciplined righteous son to my parents, and an example Muslim child to my society. May Almighty bless my muallim and his team for this great work. Jazakallahu khair. I am Raeez, Salah, student of Usvathul Hasanah.